So you're thinking about building something cool with WhatsApp, like a bot or maybe automated messages for your business, right? You go on Google and boom, everyone's talking about Meta's official WhatsApp API. And suddenly you're drowning in things like business verification, template approvals, and like setting up Meta Business Manager? Yeah, no thanks. It's like a maze. And honestly, most of us don't have the time or patience for all that. But here's the good news, like really good news. In 2025, you don't need Meta's approval anymore to start using the WhatsApp API. Seriously. There's a faster way, a way easier way, and also a low cost way. Let me tell you about it. So, there's this thing called Wasender API, and oh my God, it changes everything. It's basically a WhatsApp API that works without going through Meta's headache. No need to verify your business, no annoying waiting period, and only $6. No limit on messages. Just scan a QR code, get your token, and boom, you're in. It's perfect for developers, agencies, small biz owners, anyone who's like, I just want to send messages and not deal with Meta's red tape. Like, think about this. Normally, with the Meta way, you gotta create a verified Facebook business thingy, use a number that's never been used on WhatsApp, wait for them to approve your message templates, and then set up Business Manager config stuff. That whole process could take you days, sometimes even weeks. With Wasender API, it's like 5 minutes, no joke. And what's even better, it comes packed with features. You can send unlimited messages, handle incoming replies with webhooks, send media like images or videos, use a token system that's super deaf friendly, and the docs, honestly, even if you're half asleep, you can follow them. So, who's this actually for? Well, if you're a dev building chatbots, it's for you. If you run an agency that needs to talk to clients, yeah, it's for you too. Online stores, you can use it to send order updates or promos. And if you're building an MVP and want to move fast, this is literally made for that. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Like, is this safe? Is this legit? So here's the deal. Yeah, it's not meta official, but it's built for stability. It uses secure sessions, everything's encrypted, there are rate limits to keep things smooth. You just gotta use it responsibly. Don't spam people, don't abuse it, and you'll be fine. All right, wanna try it? Here's what you do. Go to wasenderapi.com. Make an account. There's even a free plan if you want to test it. Scan the QR code with your WhatsApp, get your token, start sending messages via API. Like, that's it. No forms, no waiting, no meta. Just working code and messages going through in seconds. So, yeah, if you've been stuck, if you're tired of meta slowing you down, or you just want a shortcut that actually works, try Wassunder API. Build fast, message instantly, scale without stress, and skip all that meta drama.